guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper cup and saucer. So for this activity we need a rectangular piece of paper, a rectangular strip of paper, a glue bottle, a pair of scissors, and we need 3 circles, and 2 need to be equal in measure, and the third one should be greater than the 2 circles. So the first step is that we have to take the rectangular piece of paper and we should fold it a little bit on the bottom. So after we're done doing that, we have to take a pair of scissors and we have to cut it until the line we have made by folding it, until here, until all the paper is over. So I'm cutting it. So be careful while using a pair of scissors because you might hurt your hands. So after we're done cutting, we have to take a circle, a small circle, and we have to glue it on the bottom like this. So I'm taking some glue and I'm gluing it like this. Now we have to glue this entire circle by applying glue little by little and folding it. So after I'm done gluing, I'm gluing this on the side as well. So next I'm taking another small circle and gluing it on the bottom part, like on the bottom. Now I'm gluing it. So next I'm taking a rectangular strip of paper and I'm gluing it on the side like this. So I'm applying some glue on it and on the side as well. Now I'm gluing it. So the next step is that we should take the big circle and we should cut it on all the 4 sides in the middle, like this. Now I'm applying glue on all the 4 sides and I'm gluing it together like this. So now our paper cup and saucer is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye.